friends, this is the dashboard of the Retail Galla app. Today we'll be learning about stock audit in the inventory section. So this is the data, or this is the stock audit page. Stock audit is very important for a business, and that's because it ensures that the physical stock on hand matches the recorded quantities in the inventory system. This accuracy is crucial for financial reporting, preventing discrepancies and identifying potential losses or theft. Stock audit is usually done on a half-yearly, quarterly or yearly basis. You can install the Galla.app from the Google Play Store and perform stock auditing using your desktop or mobile handheld terminals. Alright, here we have two options, which is filters, new auditing, and then we have these two options. This one is to download the sheet and this is to sync the stock. We'll begin from here. We can simply download the sheet, click on this. Let's wait a little. Okay. So here in this sheet, what we can see is, this is the product name, the location, audit quantity, system quantity, and the difference quantity. Now, so what is the system quantity? System quantity is basically the stock that's been updated in the backend, and added quantity is the stock or the inventory that's available physically or that's available in the store. Difference quantity is the difference between these two. Alright, now we have this data. So once the admin is having this data, admin can simply come back to this sheet, click on this sync option. Now here we can see the inventory is not synced, alright. Here there is the difference, alright, which we can see here. So we'll click on sync inventory here. So instead of doing it one by one, you can simply click here and you can sync the entire inventory in one go. Now if you click on this, see, the inventory is synced. That's how simple and easy it is. Another two options, filters and new auditing. Filters, now here you can choose the location, the date range, click on apply, and you can get the data based on the location, the particular store location, and the time range. Now new auditing sheet, here you can click on this, you can select the location, supplier, barcode, and you can click on save. You can create this data. Now you can use your desktops or mobile handheld terminals, but usually what we advise is that you perform the stock auditing using mobile handheld terminals. That's because they are portable computing devices that can be operated by hand. They typically have a small screen, keyboard and speaker, making them easy to use in a mobile-friendly environment. Also, using mobile handheld device for stock auditing will eliminate chances of errors. See, if you need to do inventory count or asset audit on a regular basis, you know how much headache it causes, from necessity to close down the business to incorrect results that do not match. But once you start using this mobile handheld device, you will see that you can do the stock auditing seamlessly in a much quicker way, easier way, and there are hardly any chances of errors. So use the stock audit sheet, the stock audit option by Galla.app using handheld devices. Hope this helps. Thank you.